Today's gathering, it's about how and where and why, as we can reflect on where we're going to go. We've just finished our national roadshow, FY26, the road ahead.
There's definitely an element of excitement, not just locally where I'm from the East Coast, but I would say at a national level. The future is bright, the opportunities are boundless, and it's a great place to be.
I think we're at the most exciting time in MNG's entire history at this point. So it's a huge and enormous opportunity for people's careers if they're willing to work together as a team and take us forward as a business.
I enjoyed the event a lot. Gives me good insights for the future.
It definitely be the innovation, the share of knowledge, seeing where we can grow as a work group and just expand and learn from each other.
Definitely exciting times to work at MNG. I also liked the fact there was lots of people interactions as well.
It's changing and evolving, and that's what I feel proud of, that they're heading toward a more innovative future. So yeah, I'm glad to be a part of it.
For me, the part that resonated the most was Scott's commitment to investing in our people. The more we can empower our people, invest in them, the more they're going to be interested and the more we can drive the business forward.
It's been the biggest year on record in FY25, and we're looking to make it the biggest year on record for FY26. There's never been a more exciting time to be at MNG than now.
The focus for MNG is our people. It's about your contribution to the team and for us, a strong future ahead.